In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add quantity in Etsy. If you've ever tried to buy more than one of the same item on Etsy and weren't sure where to change the number, this walkthrough will make it easy. We'll start from the Etsy homepage, open a product page, find the quantity section, and choose exactly how many you need, all without any confusion. First, head to Etsy in your web browser or open the Etsy app. You don't have to be signed in just to select a quantity, but if you're planning to check out, signing in can save you time later. Use the search bar to find the item you want, or browse through categories until you see a listing that matches what you're looking for. Next, click on the product you wish to purchase to open its listing page. This brings up the detailed view with the title, photos, price, shipping information, and any customization or variation options the seller offers, such as size, color, or material. Take a moment to review these options since choosing a variation often affects price and availability. If the item requires personalization, you'll typically see a field to enter details. Make sure you've selected the correct options so the quantity feature reflects the right stock. Now, look for the quantity section on the left side of the listing page if you're on a desktop. It usually appears below the variation and customization fields and above the Add to Cart button. On mobile, it may appear a bit lower on the page or tucked under the options you've selected. The control is typically a drop-down menu or a small input box with plus and minus buttons. Once you've found it, choose the quantity you wish to purchase. Click the drop-down or tap the selector and pick the exact number you need. If you don't see a higher number available, that usually means the seller's current stock is limited, and Etsy will only let you choose what's in stock. Select your variation first, because each variation can have its own inventory, and the quantity options may change based on your choice. As you adjust the quantity, you'll often see the subtotal update to reflect the new total, and some listings will show how shipping or processing times may be affected by ordering multiples. That's it. Go to Etsy, open your desired listing, find the quantity control on the left side of the page, and choose how many you'd like. If you need more than what's available, consider reaching out to the seller to ask about restocks or custom orders. With these steps, you can quickly set the right quantity and continue with your purchase confidently.